Hi friends, this is Suvarna Keshav from Suvarna's Hobby World, welcoming you all. So today, let us learn how to clean the green veggies which we buy from the market. Especially these greens, they come with roots and lots of mud. So let us find out a easy way of cleaning and drying and storing these greens. So here I have some coriander, a very huge bunch. So first let us cut the root portion of this and make it like this so that we have only the leafy portion there. So now I'm using a rubber band to tightly secure it. Here in a bowl I have some water, about 1.5 liters of water. Here I am using a veggie wash, easily available on Amazon, or alternately you could use, for 1.5 liters of water you could use 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate and 1 teaspoon of salt also. So let us stir it well so that the veggie wash gets dissolved in the water. And now I'll be soaking it in this solution for about 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes would be sufficient. Let us soak it completely so that all the suspended impurities settles at the bottom. So now our coriander leaves are neatly soaked in the water. This removes the impurities and the bacteria and viruses present in coriander as well. After this, we'll give a neat wash with running clean water. So now here we see all the dust and the mud particles settled below. I'm taking it out of this and giving it a neat wash. Let us cleanse it thoroughly. So that each and every sprig is cleaned completely. Give it a thorough wash, even in the middle. We need to take care. So now that we have cleaned our coriander thoroughly, you may be wondering, how do you store this when it is so wet? So here I have a very easy solution for this. I have taken a cotton bag here and all the sprigs are neatly tied up here with the rubber band. They are secured well. I have done the same for pudina and the other greens also. So let us place all these into a neat, clean cotton bag. And tie it neatly. So now I am wetting the bag. And this we'll put to the washing machine. We'll only have to use the dryer mode in the washing machine and it comes completely dried up and neat. So now let us put the bag with the greens into the washing machine. And here I am taking the power on and the spin mode only. We need only the spin mode, and let us start it. It's going to come absolutely dry after this cycle. It hardly takes about 8 to 9 minutes. So now it has started spinning, and it will be absolutely dry, free of any moisture, so that we can easily store it in the fridge. So here are greens, neatly cleaned and looking very hygienic and ready for storage. That's all for now, friends. Please subscribe to Suvarna's Hobby World. Thank you for watching.